How to use Snapchat without the app. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Chrome on your iPhone or Android, and then search Snapchat login for web. In here, click on Snapchat for web. After you've clicked on Snapchat for web, you will find this kind of screen pop up. In here, you can simply click on the link and then log into your account, and you will be able to use the Snapchat without app. This is much more easier on your computer, as Snapchat suggests try the new Snapchat for web on your computer. And this is how to use Snapchat without the app. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.